James Akers here, the tie guy. Today is all about Zegna, a Hermes Zegna. We're going with a Zegna suit, shirt, and tie. I guess you say Zegna and Ferragamo because Ferragamo belt and shoes, but I usually wear Ferragamo belts. I'm a big fan of their belt buckles and how they're interchangeable. We'll do a video on that one day. But today we're going to be tying a very pretty blue Zegna tie. Has a lot of geometric shapes to it. Basically, it's like little right angles all through it, creating like little arrows going down in a darker blue. It's almost a teal blue, real pretty blue with a darker blue design in it. It's a brand new tie. I just got this in. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take the tags off of it. There's one, and then two. We're gonna tie it up here in just a minute, but let's do a quick review of it. If you've been watching my videos, I review a lot of Zegna ties. This is one of the thinner Zegnas. It's not super thick. It's about the thickness of a Ferragamo. Has a really neat texture to it. The material is definitely, the darker blue geometrics are woven in. On my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers, you'll see close-ups. This camera doesn't do a good job of capturing that. The silk lays very nice. You know, there's definitely no rigidness or starchiness to it. Just a nice feeling tie. I got a feeling it's going to tie nice because most Zegnas do. So let's tie it up and see what this looks like. Let's get the collar up here. First thing we're going to do is find what I call my spot. And on a thin silk tie, that's going to be right around in this range here probably. And what that means is I'm trying to find the perfect spot to have the longer part, because it's what I'm doing all the tying with. I do all the tying with the longer part. And once I'm done tying my full Windsor, I want the tip of the tie to hit around the belt, in the middle of the belt buckle. So that's why I try to find this spot here. So we take the long part of the tie, over top, underneath, up and through. Then we come around behind. We hold everything nice and tight while we're tying it. Up and over, down and through. Now this is our checkpoint, make sure triangle's coming together, which it is. Then we come out the front, create a little pocket here, which we're going to go through in a minute. Back behind, up and through. And then we go down through that little pocket we just created, hold the top of the pocket, pull the tie through. Now we're going to do our adjustments here. We're going to turn this in. We're going to hold onto the knot and pull on the long part of the tie. That tightens this up. See how tight that triangle came together? Now we hold the knot and pull the short part of the tie. Bring it up, and we're going to check for our length now. We want to make sure that the tip of the tie, this part right here, we want this coming between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. And I am coming about halfway down. It's absolutely perfect. I'm good with that. The trick is, and I've said this before, but I'll keep saying it, if you need a little more length, if you tie it too short, hold on to the knot and pull on the long part, tighten that knot a little bit. That pulls slack out of the long part and gives you a little bit longer of a tie. Just put this collar down. And let's tighten it up here. Boy, that tied a nice triangle. Very nice tie, tied very well. I haven't had a Zegna tie yet. Actually, I haven't had a Zegna product that wasn't great as of yet. Definitely tied a beautiful knot. The look is going to start scrolling across the bottom of your screen, but I'm going to go through it with you here. Today, we're wearing a blue Hermes Zegna Suit. It's a nice lighter shade of blue. It's not a navy. I've got a couple navy Zegna suits as well, different patterns. This is a lighter, almost a French blue, not quite, but it's definitely a lighter blue. So we're in a blue suit. We're wearing a Zegna shirt, a Hermes Zegna shirt. It's really a faint pink, but it looks almost white. We're wearing a blue Zegna tie with some L-shaped geometric patterns, creating kind of some arrow design. We're wearing a brown Salvatore Ferragamo belt with a gold Ferragamo belt buckle, and we're pairing that with a pair of brown Salvatore Ferragamo Oxfords. On my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers, you will see close-ups of the shoes and belt, close-ups of the tie, so you can see the patterns of the tie. You'll see selfies of me wearing the tie, close-ups of the knot, how it all comes together. It looks really good, and I am ready for work.